Hello CS scholars, how are you all? So we have completed our chapter and now we are going to solve our worksheet. So let us begin. So here the first worksheet is some properties of force are given below. Write down C for the correct one and W for the wrong one. By applying force we can move an object. Can we move an object by applying force? Yes. So it is correct. So we have written C. Then second is change the color of an object. Can we change the color of an object by applying force? No. So it is wrong. So we will write down W. Third is stop a moving object. Yes, we can stop a moving object. Fourth is change the direction of a moving object. Yes, by applying force, we can change the direction of the object. Fifth is increase or decrease the weight of the object. No, we cannot increase or decrease the weight of the object. So it is wrong. Sixth is change the shape of the object. Correct. Increase the temperature of the object. Wrong. Change the speed of a moving object. Correct. Then ninth one is increase or decrease the length of an object. Wrong. 10th one, note the time. Wrong. 11th, decrease the temperature of an object. Wrong. So we have written C, correct. Whenever we apply force, the following things will happen. So we have write down correct. And the following things will not happen. So we have write down W, which is wrong. Okay, moving further to the next worksheet. Write one reason for each of the following and name the type of force which involved in the action. Okay, so there is one statement given and we have to write down that why this thing is happening. Okay, so first is we are able to stand on the earth. Why are we able to stand on the earth? Because of the gravitational force. Yes. Secondly, we can write on a piece of paper using a pen. Why we are able to write on a paper with the pen? Because of the frictional force. Force will take place between the paper and the pen. So we are able to write. Thirdly, astronauts float in space. In space, the astronauts are not able to walk like we are able to walk on the earth. Why is it so? Because in the space there is no gravitational force. Fourth, vehicles can move speedily on roads. So why vehicles are able to move on the road? Because of the frictional force between the wheel of the vehicle and the road. Now the fifth one, we tend to slip if we step on a banana peel. So when we step on the banana peel, the frictional force is reduced between the feet and the ground. So there is a frictional force between the feet, our feet and the ground. So some another object is coming, which is banana peel. So the frictional force is reduced. So we will fall down. Then the sixth one, anything thrown upward will come back. So anything we are throwing in upward direction will come back down because of the gravitational force. Very easy. Then the seventh one, our palms feel hot after continuous rubbing. Yes, whenever we will rub our hands like this, our palms become hot because of the frictional force between the two palms. Then eighth one, a ripe fruit falls down from a tree because of the gravitational force, because it will gravitational pull for gravitational force will pull the fruit in the downward direction. Okay, this was an interesting worksheet. Moving further to the next worksheet. Here we have to tick the correct answer. So number 1 is, which type of machine is used to lift the bucket of the water? So what has been used? A pulley is been used. Can you see in the picture? Yes. Then which of these machines also use a simple system as used by the woman shown in the picture? So another example of a pulley is a crane. Yes, so our answer is a crane. Which of the following type of machine is a X? So you can see in the picture beside the pot there is a X, and this is an example of a wedge. Yes. Now the fourth question is, Payal says a wheelbarrow is the same kind of simple machine as an X. Is she correct? No, she's not correct. It is wrong because a wheelbarrow is a type of lever. Wheelbarrow is example of lever, whereas a X is example of a wedge. Okay, so moving further to the last worksheet, worksheet 4. So here some spelling are been written, but they are written wrong, and we have to write down the correct spelling. So the first word is mechanical. The second is sound. The third is heat. Fourth is chemical. Fifth is wind. Sixth is magnetic. Seventh is solar. Eighth is electrical. Ninth is light. And the 10th one is water. Okay, students, I hope you all understood the worksheet. Okay, meet you in your next lecture. Till then, take care and bye-bye.